Official European Scientific Journal conclusion on New York City World Trade Center. 15 years later, and the European Scientific Journal, publication of the European Scientific Institute on the physics of high-rise buildings and collapses, analyzed all of the three buildings, and the results finding continue to indicate how a controlled demolition took place. This is a controversial topic and was covered by a publication that boasts the editorial committee from reputable colleges and universities around the world, despite the article's disclaimer, and can be considered yet another small victory for truthers. The study was written in collaboration by Stephen Jones of Brigham Young University, now retired, Robert Corral of McMaster University, a mechanical design engineer in the aerospace industry, Anthony Zambotti and Ted Walter of Architects and Engineers. The highly sourced study breaks down the evidence, revealing discrepancies in official reports, and we suggest our readers, especially skeptics, read it in its entirety. One of the most important testimonies was brought to attention in the study comes from the head structural engineer of the towers, John Skilling. It's not enough for skeptics to take the findings of thousands of architects and engineers seriously, apparently, but should a skeptic choose not to at least consider the expertise of one of the men who built the towers, then they're purposefully remaining blind. In the statement to the Seattle Times by Skilling, he said, "We look at every possible thing we could think of that could happen to the buildings, even to the extent of being hit on their side. And I'll leave a link below for you so that you can read this on your own. It bears repeating, it says, that fires never caused total collapse of steel frame high-rise before. Did we witness an unprecedented event? The NIST reports, which attempted to support that unlikely conclusion, failed to persuade a growing number of architects, engineers, and scientists." This is by Anon on the Daily Sheeple. I'll leave a link below for you for this.